こちらでよろしいのですか？こちらでよろしいですか？こちらでよろしいですか？おやめになりますか？またの
This is definitely not mutating as often as I thought it would. I'm kind of over the idea already. But I'll still give it a bit of a benefit of the doubt. Because I mean, I do have a pretty good setup there with Toth. Toth has really good setup there. Because I have... Oh. Multi-target is very strong with Megiddo, at least. We get Maracunda, which is nice. Invigorate. Medium deals medium. I mean, Virus Breath and Megiddo are pretty much one and the same. The only difference is one does poison. But I need Megiddo for later things. You dickhead. Okay, yeah, the mutation thing is definitely not doing it that often. That's kind of a shame. I really wanted to have fun getting random stuff, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be a thing, sadly.